Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. We start here with this. If you don't know, if you're new here, welcome. Oh my goodness, I dropped it. I'm glad I'm wearing white leggings because this is clear, but even if it wasn't. So today, August 18th, I just got in. It is hot outside, almost 90. Package today. I'll get to that one. And an Ulta package today. And so what I did was from Ulta, I ordered some of the Estee Lauder double wear concealers because the only foundation I wear except the drugstore stuff because I did a collab is the Estee Lauder double wear stay in place makeup. And so what I got was the 4 in 2 and 4W because in the foundation I can wear 4 in 2, which is Spice Sand, or 4W1, which is Honey Bronze, all year round. Sometimes I need a bronzer, sometimes I don't, but I really enjoy having 2 different foundations I can wear all year round. And they're good for 24 months, which is awesome because most foundations are good for a year. The concealers are also good for 24 months. And I also purchased 3W to brighten. So these are what the shades look like. This is the one for brightening. What's curious is that for 2 of these, the packaging is the same, but this one, the package is bigger. Same size inside the box. The components are the same size and everything. I haven't opened them yet, but I'm just guessing that they are. So we're going to open up this box, and I'm hoping I don't have buyer's remorse. I don't experiment a lot with makeup, and because of my allergies and sensitivities, and then my aesthetic is, you know, dark eye, dark lip, and so I kind of stay away from a lot of the lighter tones, and pastels make me look ashy, and my eyes don't tolerate pressed pigments, and so that's why I do stay away from trying a lot of new brands. This one is not new to me, and there is more paper at the bottom. They package very well. So this was, I want to say FOMO, and in a way I feel foolish, but we'll see after I start doing looks with it. Because I was going back and forth with a sister friend of mine who already has this palette before it was launched the second time. And it was kind of like, but me, I got it. There was a discount. Adept Cosmetics. It shipped 2 days ago. So I did get it in 2 days once it was shipped. You know, they packaged everything really well. There's this here. And then there's this here. Okay, now that that's empty, you take this off and the palette is inside. So as you know, probably by now, this is Amunet New. And this is the second launch. Oh my gosh. This says eyeshadow and pressed pigment palette. And I think Jamila, Jamie Trini, and I were saying that because I did just say my eyes don't tolerate pressed pigments. It says Seth, Patah, Anor are not intended for use around the immediate eye area. So like, what the fuck? Like, why? I do curse on my channel sometimes. This is good for 24 months. And so I could just send it back. Oh, you know what? This is stuck to the inside over the shades. I was gonna say shadows, that's why that came out funny. And it does have this over the top. So what I'm going to do to cover the mirror is, so this is Seth. Ta, this shade here. And on her. So this shade and these two are not eye safe. Yeah, so I'm kind of disappointed. And so I'm wondering whether or not to try it. I do want to try it, but then part of me is like, if it doesn't work, then I'll just have to sell it used on Macari, and I'm sure somebody will buy it. But this is what it looks like. But yeah, we're going to see. So that's it for this part of the video. And yeah, so thanks. If you have this palette, let me know what you think.